Today's video, having Austin and JT install my K24 shifter box and plate. I already made some taps right here. There we go. The drill points. So let them get to work on this bad boy. Okay. That did work. Got my man Lonely Evo working on my little integra for you, boy. Joshua Built. Where you at, bro?
Joshua Built. That is not that.
Little Pete. Ah, chill.
3 of them line up.
Hey, so then make the whole new hole right there. Yeah. We got to see.
So far, they got the plate in for me. Slide up in there.
Looks good.
Now we go under the car now and put the bolts in. If it's long enough, it should be. I won't see why not though.
I mean, if that's the ones they supplied you with, it should be.
Oh yeah, exactly. Yeah.
You still need to go get it.
You know how.
Lock in that shit.
And it'll be here Monday. What's up?
I got real friends, y'all. Got real friends.
That's what's up. You just saw those things.
Okay, real brothers. There you go. Got real brothers.
You call me stepdad.
No.
JT's secondary to me, bitch.
Hey, get the jack stand, bro. By your foot, JT.
You're the one that came in after. You're the new friend that drank me.
We ran into for the shifter install the screws that came with the kit for the plate. They're a tad bit too short. So my car's automatic, and there's like a plate under the car where this lever was, kind of stopping it. So I need a couple more, like a tad bit longer of a bolt, and then we're good. We'll slide to Ace and get some more. Put them where they are. Okay, cool, got that. Cool. And then trying to get the shift cables in if we can today. It's hot out here, y'all. It's hot. I'm gonna load my car up with people. Good chop. Good chop.
Something like this.
He doesn't need that.
He does, bro.
No, he does not.
What's that?
He only needs that if you're not going to be playing. He doesn't need both of these. Trust me.
Okay. Your shit ain't vibrating at all.
Huh? My shit?
No.
This shit.
Bro, I did my shifter.
Okay.
What I need?
What mount you got in your car?
What mounts I got? For
Yeah.
my car? Solid.
Thank you.
You got solid? Okay.
Innovative.
You seen what right hand drive kid did, right? So you marked all this shit.
Oh, you clean. Come here.
No, nothing.
Y'all ain't doing nothing right now.
You see, y'all ain't doing nothing. He's going to help us out.
Is it big stuff?
Yeah, I mean, we should be able to shoot this. Come
Oh,
on.
okay.
I need you. I need you.
We got you.
I need y'all brothers. My son, he OOC right now.
Just got back from, what, Ace Hardware?
Yeah.
Got some bolts.
What's that plate?
About to put
Shifter plate.
shifter plate back in. I don't know where we put it, yo.
I got it.
Got it? Make sure those bolts line up. Let's see where they sit. Just take
Ooh,
these
shit,
out.
Chinese.
It's alright, just put that bit.
So I'm my ass done.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, let me see. Compare.
Yeah, same thing.
Okay, good. Good.
Alright.
Sweet. They black.
Yes, sir.
You know what I mean?
Can't have too much chrome.
Yeah, you know. It seemed like it just made sense in the times that we're in. You know, might as well just get some black bolts.
BLM.
You know what I mean? These standard, you know, shiny little things.
We'll keep them for backup. Keep those for backup. Need to
Back up. Right. Times have changed.
Lay it down, bro. Come on, ready to whip. We'll start raining. Alright, I'm gonna put this on for you. You go under the car.
Remember to take your time with it, bro.
What are you doing this?
One bolt at a time. I'm just saying to put it in.
Yeah.
Let's see, my homeboy's car is coming along.
Alright. How are you underneath?
Alright. Yeah.
Let's see. The new bolts on. Dude, my camera lens stays. Bam. A little better. Okay. Those in there. With the nuts, lock nuts for you, and the washers.
Okay. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm just gonna have to get a regular bolt, like one with like a self.
Bro, cut it out.
I can't cut that.
Fuck all that, bro. Just come on, bro.
Grind it? Whatever.
It won't fit.
Oh.
Yeah, just come on. Keep going. I'm holding it.
Wait, so you already drilled it?
Put in some manual labor.
I'm not. I'm just doing light work. Supposed to be watching, but I'm helping.
Oh, make sure you tighten that. Did you already adjust this?
Not yet. I was about to though. I ain't going nowhere.
Just for those three?
Yeah, I ain't going nowhere.
So wait, so you're not putting nothing in that third one?
No,
Nah.
we're just gonna have to get a self. But I don't even have the bits for that to cut it. It'll be fine for now.
And there it is. Shifter is officially in. Looks great. I had to cut the trim around for the cup holder so it fits, but there we go. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Peace.